Ever wondered what happens during a total solar eclipse? Let's delve into the heart of this celestial spectacle, the total solar eclipse, a cosmic event that has captivated mankind since time immemorial. To understand a solar eclipse, we need to understand the dance of our celestial neighbors. Imagine a cosmic ballet, where the sun, the moon, and the earth are the main performers. The sun, ever constant, shines brightly while the moon, our closest celestial neighbor, orbits the earth. Every now and then, the moon slips between the earth and the sun, casting a shadow on our planet. This alignment, a grand cosmic coincidence, is what gives us a solar eclipse. The shadowing effect that creates an eclipse is a two-step process. First, there's the penumbral shadow, the lighter outer shadow where the sun is partially obscured. Then comes the umbral shadow, the darkest part of the moon's shadow where the sun is completely blocked out. If you're in the path of totality, where the umbral shadow falls, you'll experience the full spectacle of a total solar eclipse. But solar eclipses are more than just cosmic alignments. They've been shrouded in intrigue and mystery throughout history. Ancient civilizations looked at these celestial events with awe and trepidation, interpreting them as omens or divine messages. Even today, with our scientific understanding, there's still a sense of wonder that comes with watching the day turn into night, as the sun's radiant face is slowly obscured by the moon. Solar eclipses remind us of the intricate cosmic ballet happening right above our heads. They create a moment of connection, a shared experience that reaches across the globe. They underscore our place in the universe, a tiny blue dot bathed in the shadow of the moon, under the watchful gaze of the sun. In the face of such a cosmic spectacle, it's easy to understand why our ancestors might have found them so awe-inspiring and even terrifying. But what exactly causes this breathtaking phenomenon, you may wonder? Well, let's dive into the science behind solar eclipses, a celestial spectacle that leaves us in awe. It all begins with the moon's orbit. You see, our moon is continuously traveling around the Earth in an elliptical or oval-shaped path. Now imagine a line drawn from the sun through the Earth and extending out into space. We call this the ecliptic plane. Most of the time, the moon's orbit carries it above or below this plane. However, about twice a year, the moon's orbit aligns with the ecliptic plane, and that's when the magic happens. When the moon passes between the Earth and the sun, it casts a shadow on the Earth. If you happen to be in the path of this shadow, you will witness a solar eclipse. But not all solar eclipses are created equal. There are three types: partial, annular, and total, each with its unique characteristics. In a partial solar eclipse, the moon only partially obscures the sun. An annular eclipse occurs when the moon is too far from the Earth to completely block the sun, leaving a bright ring or annulus visible. But the most dramatic of all is a total solar eclipse. This is when the moon is close enough to the Earth to completely block the sun. For a brief moment, day turns into night, and the sun's outer atmosphere, the corona, becomes visible. This ethereal sight is truly a spectacle to behold. The duration of an eclipse can vary, depending on the moon's distance from Earth and the observer's location. A total solar eclipse can last up to 7.5 minutes, but most are much shorter. So the next time you gaze up at the sky during a total solar eclipse, remember the remarkable celestial mechanics at work. This isn't just a beautiful display of nature's grandeur, it's a testament to the intricate dance of celestial bodies in our universe. Now that we know what causes a total solar eclipse, what can we expect to see in April's event? Well, each eclipse is unique, and the April spectacle is no exception. The path of totality, which is the narrow strip where you can witness the full eclipse, will stretch across several continents. Starting in the Eastern Hemisphere and sweeping westward, it will cross through parts of Australia, Asia, Africa, and finally, Europe. The eclipse itself will last for a few hours, but the moment of totality, when the moon completely obscures the sun, will be much shorter. Depending on your location along the path of totality, this could last anywhere from a few seconds to a little over 7 minutes. During this brief period, day will turn into night. Stars will appear in the sky and the temperature will drop. It's a surreal experience, like stepping into a different world. The sun's corona, a halo of plasma that is usually hidden by the sun's bright light, will become visible. It will appear as a radiant crown, with streamers of light extending out into the sky. This is also the time when you might witness the diamond ring effect. Just before and just after totality, when a tiny sliver of the sun is still visible, it can look like a brilliant diamond on a ring of light. It's a stunning sight, and one of the many reasons why people travel across the world to witness a total solar eclipse. But remember, safety first. Never look directly at the sun without proper eye protection, even during an eclipse. Regular sunglasses are not safe. Instead, use special eclipse glasses or a pinhole projector, which you can easily make at home. And if you're planning to photograph the event, make sure to protect your camera too. Direct sunlight can damage the sensor. Use a solar filter and don't remove it until the moment of totality. With the right preparation, witnessing a total solar eclipse can be a truly unforgettable experience. As we've learned, total solar eclipses are rare and fascinating events. They're a cosmic ballet, a dance of celestial bodies that's been choreographed over billions of years. We've uncovered the science behind the spectacle, delving into the hows and whys of these incredible events. We've also taken a peek into the future, at what to expect in April's eclipse. It will be a moment of awe, a moment to marvel at the wonders of our universe. Remember, while the eclipse is a sight to behold, it's also important to protect your eyes. Use approved solar viewing glasses or other safe viewing methods. Take this opportunity to appreciate the ephemeral beauty of the cosmos, an experience that transcends time and space. As we sign off, let's not forget that this eclipse is but one of the many wonders the cosmos has in store for us. Remember to stay safe, enjoy the show, and keep looking up. The cosmos has plenty more wonders to reveal.